Meaning of French toast.
French toast.
French toast.
French toast.
French toast. French toast is a breakfast dish made by dipping slices of bread in a mixture of beaten egg, milk, and sugar, then pan-frying until golden brown. It is also known as aiguille bread or gypsy toast. The origins of the dish are unclear, but it has been enjoyed for centuries across Europe and North America. French toast can be served sweet or savory, with toppings such as syrup, fruit, whipped cream, or bacon. It is a delicious and easy way to start your day, and can be customized to suit your taste preferences.